Because I'm 6 years old.
Yeah? Why man imong gikugos imong brother?
Because I wanted to put him in this box.
Oh, lablab mong duha, lablab.
Yeah. And I
Not
wanted-
fighting mo.
Nino, I have a big
Nino.
phone.
Ate created something daw.
Nino, you want to press the button? Here. And I got a big box for you. It's a candy. Oh, you have to press what game do you want. Nino, what game do you want? LOL? Lingo Kids? Yes. Beats? Huh? What is it? Oh, this is YouTube Kids. Beep. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come on. Let's sing A, B, C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Nina, what about let's play something else? Nina, come here. Come here. Come here. Okay.
Oh. Oh. So cute. Oh, ayaw lang sige kugos ate kay your back will hurt. Ayaw. Matumba mo dai.
I want to put them in the box.
Okay.
So you will like.
Enough na ng carrying ha, kay mong back mo hurt na, okay?
Okay.
Thank you ate for taking care of Nino.
Get out, Nino. I'll show you something. Get out. What's this? What's this? What's this?
Di na
Get
maila
out.
dai.
Get it. Get it. Ding it.
Oh, dili na mag-carry ha.
Yeah. Could you get out?
Katawan mo.
Nino, get out.
Get out, Nino. Ate has something to do. Sige na.
Wait. Don't pull my pants down.
Oh, careful lang ang carrying ha. Oh, enough na na. That's the last time you will carry him.
But only one more because I need to put Nino on the here.
Oh, no. Ano sige carry kay mong back.
Oh.
Your back's
Only
gonna
3
hurt.
more. I need